Hey guys, Mike on Internet Pro. Just wanted to go over some fundamentals today real quick. This will probably be a really quick video, but this is some of the things I just want to talk about because I saw on the webinar last night. There is a brand new webinar. You just click the link below and you'll get some really sound coaching. I really like PLS's coaching because it's nice and long and it's so descriptive, and I think that, you know, the coaches, they break it down like to a 2-year-old status. I mean, you can really get the drift of how this whole system works. So I really do enjoy the coaching. I watched the videos. I watched the entire webinar from front to back because I really, I'm waiting. I'm in anticipation when it comes online because I just like to hear how they explain it, how they break it down, how simple it is. And PLS really does make it a lot, more effortless than it would be if you didn't have the system. I think that it would be so much more difficult if you didn't have this like all-in-one package system. I mean, it just, man, I mean, all the different things. It's hard for people to get the concept. I don't think it's so hard for them to buy the different packages at different websites. Like they got to get the autoresponder on the website or this or this. I think it's the concept that really holds people back. They don't get the concept. I see some people, they'll say, I still don't understand what it is we're doing. And that's that comprehension, that concept. You have to be able to explain in a way that people understand the point. And one of the biggest things, I think, or one of the biggest obstacles that I saw that what people, people that are new, they would have, because they didn't understand that I think that they thought that selling online was typical or similar to what they saw with just sales in general, like seeing someone standing somewhere, all professional, maybe a little tense and trying to put on a nice face and be that salesman, and they say, I don't want to do that, But that's not what this business is. You don't have to be that person if you don't want to. This isn't like insurance or something. This is where you can be like faceless, like me. You could have your system set up to where you're just driving traffic to a squeeze page. The majority, most marketers, I can't speak for all marketers, of course, but a lot of marketers will tell you that the majority of people that buy from them, they never have met. They're strangers. They're just people who came in their system from somewhere that they placed their ad. I mean, imagine. I've been marketing 8 years. Think of all the places I've placed my ad, my websites, articles, whatever, blogs, websites. I can't possibly meet everybody who's coming to these pages on a daily basis. There's no way. They're not looking. A lot of them aren't even looking to meet me. A lot of them are looking for a system that can finally work, that they can actually believe in. So it's a lot about your ad. It's so much about the convincing of what the product it is that you have. Is it going to work or not? And listen, I'm not here to sell you any false dreams or, any hype. I'm not going to tell you something to do something that I'm not going to do myself, that I don't do myself, okay? What I do, as most of you guys know, is I'm an invisible marketer. Meaning that I don't show my face. I keep things as private as I possibly can, but still, you have to make the sales. So there's ways I have to come out into the public in a sense, but I can still keep my privacy, okay? To a certain extent. And that's one of the things I value. Not everybody wants to be on camera. Not everybody wants to be out in the limelight. And I know there's tons of people like this. Why? Because I talk to them all the time. They don't want to get on camera. They're camera shy. They don't want to pick up the phone. They wouldn't know what to say. That have the ability to help you a lot more, because I'm not a coach and I'm not a teacher. I'm an affiliate marketer. And so I don't fall into the coach, what do you call it, professional background or whatever. I don't go in that route. When you coach, a lot of times you're going to charge a lot of money, guys. A coach is going to charge you a lot of money, generally, because his time is precious. He's going to tell you things that are going to help move you along a lot faster.